Hello, good to see you. Do you have any siblings? How many?
Good to see you too. Yes, I have two siblings, an older sister and a younger brother. What about you?
Oh, that's nice. I'm an only child, so it must be interesting having siblings. What's it like having both an older and younger sibling?
It definitely has its ups and downs. Growing up, my older sister was like a second mom sometimes, always looking out for me. And my younger brother, well, he's a handful, but we still have a lot of fun together. How about being an only child? Do you ever wish you had siblings?
I suppose there are times when I've wondered what it would be like to have siblings to share experiences with, but overall, I've enjoyed having my parents' undivided attention. Plus, I've developed some close friendships that feel like family.
That's understandable. Family comes in many forms, after all. It sounds like you've built a strong support network outside of your immediate family. That's really important.
Definitely, and I've learned to appreciate the uniqueness of each family dynamic. It's fascinating to hear about other people's experiences with their siblings.
For sure, everyone's family story is different, but they all contribute to who we are today. It's one of the things that makes us all so interesting.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for sharing about your siblings. It's been great getting to know you better.
Likewise, if you ever have more questions about siblings or anything else, feel free to ask. I'm here.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind. Have a great day.
You too.